I decided that for £60 it was worthwhile for me to brave a trip to Ikea and purchase a double bed frame. All of the components were packed neatly inside a cardboard wrapper that was easy to carry and handle to and from my car. I noticed straight away that although the timber felt very smooth and the machine operator had clearly used sharp knives, the appearance of the finished surface was less than satisfactory as far as my own preferences were concerned. I also noticed the designer's efficient use of 3x1 pine, where if I was building a bed from scratch, the corner posts would have been 3 inches square and the rails probably would have been 6 inches wide. Once everything was unpacked, I began the process of sanding. Over a course of several evenings, I applied 3 coats of finishing oil to all surfaces. One of my first steps in the process of assembly was to organise the fixings from a single plastic bag into separate compartments. I decided to glue each of the dowels into one component, which means I'm less likely to lose them when I do move home, and I can still dismantle the bed with ease. Ikea provide your typical good-for-nothing Allen key. I do feel sorry for anyone who persists in using these over a power tool. Assembly of the main bed frame began with the construction of each end. cannot imagine anyone tightening these coarse threaded screws with that piece of scrap steel. With the two end frames assembled, I could attach both side rails to one frame before adding the other. A series of barrel nuts are used in conjunction with the bolts. I made one mistake in fitting wooden dowels to this double thickness centre rail. I would end up drilling them out easily enough, but I still found I had spare dowels left over. These metal bushings are supposed to go into those holes. They carry the bolt threads through without the risk of damaging the timber. By this stage, the frame had a slight wobble to it, and Ikea provide a lightweight steel brace to increase rigidity. Before I could get my new bed in, I had to move the old bed out. This was given to me 7 years ago, and to be honest, I hate this style of bed. It's large and awkward to move between rooms, let alone housing. Worst of all, if you take it to your local recycling centre, they'll probably direct you to the non-recycling bins. For £60 you get the infamous Ikea bed slats, which I know other furniture makers have used in their own bed projects. There's a smooth way to laying them out, and then there's also my way. If you look at the profile, you can see how they're sprung for support. I also bought a couple of plastic boxes to live under the bed and hold my bed sheets and towels. Thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you again soon.